evening, back members and back secretariat. Today we are convening for the public conference of 15 civil work projects. Before we start, let's acknowledge the attendees of this conference.
These are the attendees of today's private conference, headed by our Vice Chairperson, Sir Arnel Endeliantes. The back member for all types of procurement, Sir Heinrich B. Dacanay. Back member for all types of procurement, Sir D.R.B. Parel. 3 back members were present, so we have a forum.
Thank you, Madam Secretary. Let's go over the background of each contract for Freddy. So the first contract is 25PA0001. Name of contract, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps, Access Roads and or Bridges from the National Roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of bridge, Sinalang-Palao, Bangued, Abra. Locations, Bangued, Abra. The scope of works, construction of bridge. ABC of this contract is 19,299,754 pesos and 25 cents. The contract duration is 192 calendar days. The prospective bidders should be registered with pickup license category of size range, small B, license category C and D. The bid docs amount is 25,000 pesos and this will be opened on December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0011. Name of contract is Organizational Outcome, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System, Bridge Program Replacement of Permanent Weak Bridges. The locations, Balingasa Bridge along Abra-Kalinga Road, Phase 2. The scope of work of this project covers the construction of the steel bridge and road approaches with side works. And the ABC of this contract is 28,949,762 pesos and 28 cents. Contract duration is 116 calendar days. Prospective bidders should be registered with pickup license category of size range small b, license category C and D. The amount of bid docs is 25,000 pesos and this will be open on December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0035. Name of contract is Organizational Outcome, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction, Upgrading of Damaged Paved Roads, Tertiary Roads. The locations is Abra-Ilocos Norte Road, KO444 plus 864 to KO444 to 967. Scope of works includes rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, and the ABC of this contract is, the ABC is 1,689,027 pesos and 56 cents. Contract duration is 38 calendar days. Prospective bidders should be registered with pickup license category of size range small b, license category C and D. Amount of bid docs will be 5,000 pesos and this will be opened on December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0036. The name of the contract is Organizational Outcome, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of roads with slip, slope collapse, and landslide-tertiary roads. The locations, Abra-Ilocos Norte Road, K0444 plus 035 to K0444 plus 159 to K0444 plus 864 to K0444 plus 967, K0446 plus 349 to K0446 plus 365. The scope of works, rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads, slope protection structure using structural measures. The ABC is 6,947,916 and 89 cents. Contract duration is 99 calendar days. Prospective bidders should be registered with pickup license category of size range small b, license category C and D. The amount of bidding documents will be 10,000 pesos and this will be opened on, bid opening shall be on December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0037. The name of the contract is Organizational Outcome, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of Roads with Slips, Slope Collapse, and Landslide-Tertiary roads. The locations: Abra-Ilocos Norte Road, K0448 plus 120 to K0448 plus 150, K0448 plus 645 to K0448 plus 670. The scope of works: rehabilitation, reconstruction of roads, slope protection structure using structural measures. The ABC is 2,219,201 pesos and 84 cents. The contract duration is 57 calendar days. Prospective bidder should be registered with PICAB license category of size range small b, license category C and D. The amount of bidding documents is 5,000 pesos and the bid opening will be on December 7, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0038. Name of contract: Organizational Outcome, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Network Development Program of Carriageway Improvement Tertiary Roads. The locations: Abra-Cervantes Road, K0462 plus 257 to K0462 plus 355, K0466 plus 000 to K0466 plus 500, K0470 plus 569 to K0473 plus 000. The scope of works of carriageway improvement. Approved budget for this contract is 38,778,309 pesos and 82 cents, and the contract duration will be 121 calendar days. The prospective bidder should be registered with PICAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. Amount of bidding documents will be 25,000 pesos, and the bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0039. Name of the contract is 00002. Protect lives and properties against major floods, construction, maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage system, rehabilitation of bully, flood control. The locations: La Paz, Abra. The scope of works: rehabilitation of flood control using structural measures. The ABC is 48,250,000 and the contract duration is 168 calendar days. Prospective bidder should be registered with PICAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. Bidding documents will be in the amount of 25,000 pesos and the bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0040. Name of the contract is Protect Lives and Properties Against Major Floods, construction, maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage system, construction of flood control structure along Abra River. The locations: Barangay San Antonio, Bangued, Abra. The scope of works: construction of flood control structures using structural measures, and the ABC is 96,500,000 pesos. The contract duration is 211 calendar days. Prospective bidders should be registered with PICAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. Bidding documents will be in the amount of 50,000 pesos and bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. Next one is 25PA0041. Protect lives and properties against major floods, construction, maintenance of flood mitigation structures and drainage system, construction of flood control structure along Abra River. The locations: Barangay Cabarwan, Tayong, Abra. The scope of works: construction of flood control structures using structural measures. ABC is 73,945,055 pesos. The contract duration is going to be 191 calendar days. Prospective bidders must be registered with PICAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. The bidding documents will be in the amount of 50,000 pesos and bid opening will be December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0042. Name of the contract is Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps. Access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings or facilities. Rehabilitation of road, Suyo-San Diego Road. The locations, Bidigan, Abra. The scope of works, rehabilitation of road. The ABC is 48,249,812.09. The contract duration will be 122 calendar days. Prospective bidder should be registered with PCAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. Bidding documents will be in the amount of 25,000 pesos, and the bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. Next is 25PA0043. Name of contract is Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps. Access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings or facilities, construction of bridge. The locations is Dugong, Bukay, Abra. The scope of works of this project covers the full construction of two-span Bailey bridge panel with board pile foundation including abutment protection and road approaches. The ABC is 48,249,997.95. Contract duration is 280 calendar days. Prospective bidder should be registered with PCAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. Bidding documents will be in the amount of 25,000 and the bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0044. Name of the contract is Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps. Access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of Malita Bridge. The locations is Bangued, Abra, and the scope of works, construction of bridge. Approved budget for this contract is 48,249,968 pesos and 39 cents. Contract duration will be 233 calendar days. Prospective bidder should be registered with PCAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. Bidding documents will be 25,000 pesos and the bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. Next project is 25PA0045. The name of the contract is Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Alleviating Gaps. Access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of Bolinay Bridge. The location is Bolinay, Abra, and the scope of works for this project covers the construction of the steel bridge and road approaches with side works. The ABC is 48,249,974.01. The contract duration is 233 calendar days, and the prospective bidder should be registered with PCAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. Bidding documents will be in the amount of 25,000 pesos, and the bid opening will be in December 17, 2024. Next contract is 25PA0046. Name of the contract is Basic Infrastructure Program. Access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Rehabilitation of road, La Paz Road. The location is La Paz, Abra. And the scope of works is rehabilitation of road. ABC is 96,499,813 pesos and 90 cents. The contract duration is 116 calendar days. Prospective bidder should be registered with PCAB license category of size range medium A, license category B. The bidding documents will be the amount of 50,000 pesos and the bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. And the last contract for this credit conference is 25PA0047. The name of the contract is Organizational Outcome. Ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program. Rehabilitation and reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, tertiary roads. The locations, Abra-Kalinga Road, K0473 plus 426 to K0473 plus 444, K0473 plus 580 to K0473 plus 755, K0480 plus 007 to K0480 2 plus 092. The scope of works, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads. ABC is 9,120,614 pesos and 50 cents. The contract duration is 48 calendar days. The prospective bidder should be registered with PICAB license category of size range small b, license category C and D. Bidding documents will be in the amount of 10,000 pesos and the bid opening will be on December 17, 2024. Now let's proceed with the procurement requirements.
For the requirements, under Section 25, Submission and Receipt of Bids, bidders shall submit their bids through their duly authorized representative using the forms specified in the bidding documents in 2 separate sealed bid envelopes or 2 password-protected bidding documents in compressed archive folders in case of electronic bid submission, and which shall be submitted simultaneously. The first shall contain the technical component of the bid, including the eligibility requirements under Section 23.1 of the revised IRR, and the second shall contain the financial component of the bid. The first envelope shall contain the following technical information or documents. First, the PhilDef Certificate of Registration and Membership in accordance with Section 8.5.2 of the revised IRR. Then the registration certificate from SEC, Department of Trade and Industry for sole proprietorship or CDA for cooperatives. Then the mayor's or business permit, the tax clearance, the statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, then the statement of bidder's single largest completed contract, then the PICAB license and registration, the bid security in the prescribed form, amount, and validity period, the project requirements, which shall include the following: organizational chart for the contract to be bid, list of contractors' personnel, list of contractors' major equipment unit, the omnibus sworn statement in accordance with Section 25.3 of the revised IRR, the NFCC computation, next the audited financial statement, the JBA or the duly notarized statement in accordance with Section 23.1b of this IRR if applicable. Then for the second envelope shall contain the financial information or documents. These are first the financial bid form, the bid prices in the bill of quantities, then the detailed estimates including summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials, labor rates, and equipment rentals used in coming up with the bid, then the cash flow by quarter. For the procurement timeline, a complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on November 27 to December 17, 2024 at the Office of the Procurement Unit, and upon payment of applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement Service System and DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph, provided that bidders shall pay the non-refundable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat through manual submission or at electronic bids_abra@dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before 10 a.m. on December 17, 2024. Late bids shall not be accepted. Only authorized liaison officer with the presentation of his or her ID duly issued by its company and special power of attorney shall be allowed to submit or draft bidding documents. Bid opening shall be at 2 p.m. on December 17, 2024 at the conference room of the procurement unit. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act. The back of the DPWH Abra-DEO reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with sections 35.6 and 41 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA 9184 without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidders or bidders. Interested bidders may obtain further information from the Office of the Procurement Unit, Department of Public Works and Highways, Abra District Engineering Office, Rizal Street, Zone 7, Bangued.
Thank you, Ma'am Perla, for reading the procurement requirements and the procurement timeline. Do we have any announcement from the back secretary, from the back members? None. Actually, I do. So, tomorrow, December 6, we will be conducting the private conference of 23 projects. One of them will be goods and other related services, 24 GPA 02. So we will be convening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Any other announcements? There being no further clarifications or announcements, this meeting is now adjourned. Thank you for your participation.